Ladies and gentlemen, George Jones.
I don't need your rocking chair, Jericho, or you Medicare. I still got neon in my veins. No, I don't need your rocking chair. I ain't ready for the junkyard yet, but I still feel like a new Corvette. Might take a little longer, but I'll get there. Well, I don't need your rocking chair.